Welcome to the Driveway Dudes. Today we're going to be taking a look at freeing up a heavy sliding door. So this sliding door is quite heavy. It's difficult for my 5-year-old to open this, so it doesn't slide freely. It takes quite a lot to move it. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to clean up these tracks. So we're going to clean up this side and clean up this side, remove all that debris and give it a good cleaning. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to vacuum out any of the loose dirt. Put on full power. And I'm just going to use soapy water. This is just it's just water with a dash of dish soap or washing up liquid, and I'm going to use a series of brushes just to clean out what I can first. And a basin of water, just clean water, and a sponge just to dry it up or clean up the dirt. Okay, that's already better, but I'm going to take it a step further. So I'm going to use a bit of heavy duty cleaner. This is quite strong, quite caustic, I think, fighting limescale, and I'm going to use a scouring pad. Okay, so it is considerably lighter now, so has a bit of free roll to it, but it's still quite heavy. So clean the tracks, but the rollers underneath, you can't access them. There are adjustment screws, adjustment screws right here, usually for the rollers. So what I might do is I might actually spray some WD-40 up in there, some penetrating fluid, and run it back over the tracks again a few times and see if that frees it up even further. It's very hard to pick up on camera, but we've got two sets of 2 rollers, so kind of see it there. See the bottom of the roller here, bottom of the roller here. So I just sprayed WD-40 penetrating fluid, you see it there, and the back one also, you can see it here. See the roller, and it has freed it up a little more. I wasn't able to get footage of actually spraying underneath the wheels with the WD-40, but WD-40 comes in different sizes. You see, pocket size, toolbox size, and essentially it's a penetrating fluid, so it'll free up any sticky mechanisms, as it says on the can. Stops squeaks, drives out moisture. It's very good for driving out moisture. One handy trick I have is if you leave your tools out in the rain and you're worried that they got a bit too wet, what you can do is you can spray this straight in the tools and they'll still work. It'll actually lubricate them somewhat, but it'll drive out the moisture. I don't know if you can caught that on camera. So you can spray that in there to drive out the moisture. It's not going to go on fire or anything. So this works kind of like a lubricant. It lubricates a small bit, but it's not a long-term solution. I mean, if you wanted a longer-term solution, you'd use multi-purpose oil, but short-term, the WD-40 is going to do a grand job. So as a little bonus, I got a comment from Konakai4097 and they asked to see the finished product. So this is a year on. So this is my fence. It's just a wall topper. It's not really a fence. Just to raise the height. And this is a year on. This is the finished product. So it's about 30 meters long, maybe a little more. And after a year of Irish wind and rain, it's still in perfect condition. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this somewhat useful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks very much and have a great day.